Hi, this is Anushka Sharma.
And this is Ranbir Kapoor.
Keep watching Bollywood Hungama.
We love you, Faridun.
Coming back to the music part once again, there are a lot of other interesting songs as well. I think I'm Hindustani. I think the way it starts, so I think this is beautiful. But do you feel that people have these set notions कि यार ये मतलब item song होना चाहिए and some sort of
absolutely, you said the right thing. But like I said, Bombay Velvet में songs नहीं है.
Right.
The album is the sound of Bombay Velvet. You know, these are scenes. We made a film which is depicting 50s, 60s Bombay. We were very sure that we wanted a sound which would transport people into that time. If we couldn't make contemporary songs, could not use words of today's, jingos of today's, melody of today, the melody had to be from that time. You know, there was a big jazz culture in our country.
Absolutely.
Bombay had a big jazz hub. So all the songs, Amit Trivedi has gone to New Orleans, studied jazz, brought musicians from Prague. Neeti Mohan has done so much of research in singing how jazz, the jazz vocalists sing in a different way.
Right.
So the sound of Bombay Velvet was very important. And even when you see the film, you will never feel कि अभी गाना शुरू हो रहा है और अभी गाना खत्म हुआ है. Because everything happens in the club Bombay Velvet. कि गाना शुरू होता है, सीन कहीं से शुरू हो रहा है, उसके बीच में सीन आता है, गाना कब खत्म होता है, कब अगला सीन होता है. We've tried that you don't feel that, it's seamless. तो it's very hard to say कि ये एक ट्रैक है, ये ट्रैक नंबर 2 है, ये लव गाना है, ये सैड गाना है.
Right.
It's not like that.
Kakha Ga, that is, I think, another song which is very, I think, the interesting premise. I think Amitabh Bhattacharya, the lyrics are outstanding as well. Now, which is your personal favorite song?
I love Naak Pe Gussa, and I also thoroughly enjoyed Dhadam Dhadam.
And what about you?
I like Fifi, which is an old Geeta Dutt song from the film CID.
Right.
It has been redone. मुझे वो गाना बहुत पसंद है, मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी. I think the thought of that song is very good, the way it's written.
Right.
And I like the Bombay Velvet theme a lot. I think just the theme embodies the spirit of Bombay Velvet and the drama of Bombay Velvet very well.
And what about Behrupia?
Behrupia actually is a song which came last in the film because it's a background song. It's about the chemistry of Rosie and Johnny when they come together and about them falling in love.
Right.
So it was a song which I heard last.
Right.
Again, interesting song, and I feel very blessed. Mohit Chauhan has again sung that song, and I've made a good, successful pair with him where music is concerned.
Absolutely.
And it's a song that's also liked quite a lot in the album. So looking forward to it.
Which song are you singing for us today? Fifi or Mohabbat Buri Bimari?
Naak Pe Gussa गाना, 2 लाइन.
है नाक पे जो गुस्सा, हाय गुस्सा, है नाक पे जो गुस्सा, हाय गुस्सा, छुपा भी ना सके, जता भी ना सके, तो फिर फिजूल है ये किस्सा.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
ये रोना है?
That's the one.
And Mohabbat Buri Bimari, a couple of lines on that.
मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी, ओहो, लगी तुझे तो तेरी जिम्मेदारी, मोहब्बत बुरी बीमारी, हाय.
फॉर्म में तू आज यार, क्या बात है.
So which one do you rate more, Jordan or Rosie?
I think Rosie for sure. Because like I said, Jordan had a lot of angst, and it was coming from that place. But if you see the musicality of Bombay Velvet and how Rosie's played it, or उसका जो character है, it has to come from different shades. There is love, there is pain, there is jealousy, there is anxiety, there is a lot of different intricate emotions to every song when you see it on screen.
Right.
So it has a lot more flavor than Jordan from Rockstar.
Hi, this is Faridun Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.